Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your September love and general forecast for September for Pisces. Yes, friends, for Pisces, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Pisces, you can watch this reading. If you know a Pisces, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot if you haven't already, and click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Many of you were asking of the readings which I have already posted. So if you click the bell icon, you will never miss a reading, friends. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Friends, for Hindi readings, check our website. Check our another channel, Magic Vents Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps. Yes. So Pisces, let's see what's the theme of this month for you. Pisces, the theme of this month for you. For Pisces. Wow, the sun and the temple path, 1 and 1 and 2, the 1 1 2, 1 and 12 energy. This is amazing, Pisces. Wow, envy. Oh my god, number 20. I think you are going, your sun is shining for you, Pisces, in the month of September, especially in your work life. I feel you will be doing very successfully. A new start is coming, or some new success is going to come your way in your life in September, in your work and career. I definitely feel, friends, Pisces, you are going, if you are having, I feel right now, you might be feeling like you others have what you don't have, or something like that. Pisces, some of you are a little unhappy, I feel, because life is not going, especially your work or career is challenging. But Pisces, look at this. September is going to bring that positivity, the changes, positive changes, money into your life, success in your life. And temple path number 12. 12 is about communications. 12 is also about higher learning, knowledge. So friends, definitely new doors are opening for you in September. You will learn something new, or it will also be a more spiritual month for you, Pisces, because you have the 1 1 energy, 11 11 twin flame energy. So it's a powerful month for you. You will be learning new things spiritually in your career, and your success will be very high. But I do see that some people might be jealous of your success, or some of you may, this may be your current energy. Sorry to say, but yeah, that's. Some people are really funny, They ask me, why do I say sorry when I say some tough words? Because, friends, I know I'm an empath. It's my job to know how you are feeling, and when I say something, I know how it will affect you. That's my job. I'm a psychic, right? So that's why I say, because I know it can affect you in many ways, and we do not want that. Not especially not in 2020. Definitely in any other year, I can say anything anyway, but not in 2020, friends. I know we are all struggling, anxiety, depression. We are struggling in many ways, all of us. But so that's why I apologize, or I, quickly say, soften it, because it's not the right time for harsh energies. So your success, I feel you may be like a little, someone could be a little envious or jealous of you. I also feel this was your past energy or your current energy, like you feel things are missing from your life, things are not going as you want. But I feel September is going to change things for you. Your sun is about to shine, higher learning, new doors, new paths opening for you, Pisces, things going great for you. And even if you are a student, I definitely feel um, you will learn or work on something new, but it will be very successful. It will bring a lot of envy, a lot of admiration, a lot of compliments from other people in your life. So let's see, Pisces, what's happening in your love life. Pisces, what's happening in their love life? Wow, Six of Rods, success, again a card of success. Your focus is on work, Pisces, mostly on work. for the entire September. Pisces, their love life, the 10 of rods, the 8 of rods, 8 of pentacles. See, again, uh, money, hard work. Pisces, their love life in September, 5 of rods. What will happen for in September for Pisces, their love life? Okay, wow, the Two of Cups, romance is coming finally. And the Five of Cups. Oh my God. Anything else for Pisces for the month of September? Wheel of Fortune. I think you are dealing with a karmic situation or a past life or a past situation in September. Pisces, I feel like you start the month feeling very positive. Your focus is more on career, your focus is more on your education, success in life, and money. You are not very focused on love, but I think other people are watching you, maybe your lover, your ex husband, your ex partner, twin flame. Someone is watching your success and they might be a little, ooh la la, what's happening with them, you know? I also feel like you may struggle with a relationship, Pisces, in this month in September because there is this 10 of rods. So you may be dealing with a lot of work and you will be taking care of a relationship. So it will be like what to do, what to do. You may feel a little drained because a relationship in the first week of September may reach a dead end, or you may feel like you are doing all the work. What's the point? I also feel that some of you could feel in September that relationships are a pain because they are too much of work, they are too much of a responsibility because other person is not handling or giving as much support as you want, especially in the first week of September because you are busy with work. You are successful with work, but you don't have time for that because you are busy with maintaining the marriage, the relationship. If you are single, you might be worried about why you are single, why you have to do all things alone. So you are a little with love. But I think by the, in the mid of September, someone is going to write to you. Someone will want to work things out with you. There may be endings in the beginning of September, like you may take some time off a relationship, or right now you are taking time off a relationship. But in September, in the mid of September, someone wants to talk to you, they want to write to you, they want to make efforts on a relationship, and they want to heal this conflict with you. You are in arguments or difference of opinion with a husband, a lover, a past lover, ex-lover, twin flame. You are in conflict with someone in arguments, but they want to work, they want to heal it, and they will heal it because there is this Two of Cups of happiness. Love will shine in the mid of September for you, and excellent harmonious times. You will feel very loving, very caring, and very very happy in the month, in the mid of the September. But it is like, someone is living at a distance from you. They may visit you in the mid of September. You'll have quality time with them. It will touch your heart. You'll feel very happy like this beautiful sun. But then again, you'll be sorry because they went away. They went to their home, or you come back to your home. So you may feel a little nostalgia. You may miss someone. So this is like a very beautiful month, where you are busy with work, you are busy with love, but you may miss this person because you long for their touch, you long for their arms, their touch, their affection, their care, or someone is longing for you because there is envy here, so someone is eyeing you, Pisces. And you may not be sure of this person, like should you continue this relationship or not. They could be someone from your past. And I also feel luck will change for you in September. Your relationships will again get on track. Your love life will get on track by the end of September. Things, confusions, difference of opinions will melt away and love will shine. If you are single, I see you working very hard in the mid of September, till the mid of September. I do not see love coming in the mid of September, till the mid of September. In the mid of September, someone will try to win you. It may be someone from your past or a new person, a secret admirer. But things will get better towards the mid and the end of September for you. Anything else for Pisces? I see your focus is mostly on work, but people want to really, write, make an effort towards you. You could be dealing with a twin flame or marriage partner. See, someone is trying to manifest you. Someone is trying to manifest you. Maybe a twin flame, maybe a husband or a wife or an ex-lover. They are very anxious. They can't sleep without you. They can't eat. They feel like you have forgotten them, but they want you back, Pisces. Wow, this is beautiful. Any other message for Pisces? I feel like, by the end of September, you will be on the right track in love. But even in the mid of September, things will become clear. Whom you want, who is the best person for you. If you are married, Pisces, I definitely see your marriage becoming more deeper or commitment becoming more beautiful in the mid of the month. And you might travel with your husband or wife at the end of this month. So it will be exciting. So let's see what's the advice for Pisces for this month. And then we're going to pull some romance angels. Advice for Pisces, the door to personal healing and happiness. That was quick, angels. Wow, number 34. This is beautiful. Friends, the door to healing is opening for you, friends. I told you here also that new doors, new happiness, new joy is coming for you, friends. And I definitely feel that not only I think you are looking for work or success in money, finances, but you will also find extra success in love, your love life, in relationships. So that's an extra coming your way. You are not looking for it, but it will come to you. Wow, man holding a coin, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus might be important for you. And look at the numbers. Oh my God, Pisces. Look at this, number 34, and look at this, number 43. 34, 43, reverse mirror numbers. Interesting. So I feel the advice is a lot of money opportunities or people, new connections which can help you in your work and career are coming. I also feel someone really wants to show you how much they value you, how much they love you. They will come back or they will try to win you, Pisces. So that's a beautiful thing. Let's see a love message for you for Pisces. Wow, true love. This card is coming a lot recently. This is the romance of your lifetime. Anything else? Okay. Make the effort. See? Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. So yes, great love is coming towards you. And it could be the start of a wedding or a relationship that will end to lead to marriage in the future. Changes, caterpillar, oh my God. How many are they? There are a lot of cards, but we'll take it. If they come, we take it. Caterpillar, things will not always be this way. Change is coming. See, you are feeling unhappy. You feel like you are missing out on everything good in life right now, Pisces. But remember, good things are coming your way. Things are changing. You are a caterpillar. You are about to turn into this beautiful butterfly. Career, see, your career is about to go in positive changes. Shield. You need to defend yourself. Yeah, I do feel your success will be high, Pisces, so protect yourself. Wear some crystals or something. Mule, someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. So there may be someone who is not ready to understand you or work things out with you. But you are destined for marriage, you are destined for success, so that's for sure. Turkey, someone is behaving stupidly. Yeah, I do feel some coworker or some work issues may happen because someone isn't agreeing with you. Wow, the sun and the sunrise, look at this. New opportunities, new ventures, a fresh start is coming for you. Rooster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Be careful of people at your work, friends. Be careful, trust me. Needle and thread, a sincere wish will be granted. Yes, your wishes are coming true, and more than your wishes, some extra luck is coming your way, Pisces. So that's it for now. If you enjoyed this reading, subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. I know many of you are watching but not subscribing. Not fair, friends. This is 2020. Subscribe. If you see something good, subscribe. If you see someone with value, you should support them, friends. Entrepreneurs, we work hard, support us. And thank you so much if you have already subscribed us. Thank you, many angel blessings, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.